Welcome to use Pmovie Projector. Today, let's introduce how to use the smartphone controller. Open the controller service at the home page. Then, scan the QR code and install an APK on your smartphone. Open the APK and then connect the Wi-Fi as same with the projector. Select the projector. Now it's successful to connect. There are two modes. This mode is the key mode. You can press left, right, or up, or down. And another one is the mouse mode. You can see the screen. There is a mouse there. And your smartphone is become a touch panel, similar operated to a laptop. Thank you.